Where should I invest? That would be the first question when you were planning to start investing. What would be the path you are going to follow? Whether it's saving for a child's education or creating extra money on the side, everyone requires an investment plan that meets their budget and requirements. Choosing where to invest is usually the most dragging part of the journey. To save you from all that hassle, we present you with two choices: stocks and real estate.
Pennywise, the channel focuses on exploring wealth and increasing savings through life-changing practices about personal finance, money earning and management tips, avoiding hoaxes, and so much more. Our goal is to equip you with a penny-wise mindset through your journey to fund and help you experience the life you desire. So please join us on this exciting adventure by clicking the subscribe button below.
There's no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of where rich people invest their money. Some wealthy individuals prefer to keep their money in cash, while others may invest in various assets including stocks, bonds, and real estate. Surprisingly, it is not well known that buying real estate is also a kind of investment. Traditional investors have historically sought to invest their funds in the stock market. While stocks are a famous investment opportunity, many people are unaware that purchasing real estate is also regarded as an investment. Let us first talk about stocks. First and foremost, what are stocks? These are the amount of money acquired by a company or organization through the offer and subscription of shares. Acquiring stocks of a particular company could mean being a part owner of it. It depends on which type of stock you bought and the percentage brought to the company. Investors profit through stocks from the value appreciation of a firm's stock and dividends. When the company you bought stocks in increases its value and earnings, that is how you earn money from it. When the returns you receive have surpassed the amount of money you put into it, you get your return of investment, or ROI. When you combine investing in the stock market with other perks that improve your return, such as employer matching in a 401k, it's the most logical option. Also, it's to acquire shares in firms through stock market. You can buy them through a broker or a financial planner. And online sites. An account is all you need to buy stocks. Once you have this, you are presented with millions of opportunities in just a minute. You may even be able to invest in stocks through your company if you're a small business owner. When in terms of accessibility, stocks take the cup against real estate. Now, what are the potential risks when buying stocks? Market, economic, and inflationary risks are three types of risks in the stock market. Stock values can be highly unpredictable. Their prices constantly change in response to market fluctuations. Volatility can be caused by a variety of external and internal events. For example, suppose a firm operates in another country where the rules and regulations differ from those in the United States. However, if the economy of that nation faces difficulties or any political issues arise, the company's stock may fall. Stocks are also influenced by the business cycle, monetary policy, rules, tax adjustments, and interest rates changes set by a country's central bank. The stock market can be unpredictable, and the return of investment or ROI is frequently lower than anticipated. Like any other investment, you must know that there is no guarantee that you get to profit off of it. We have discussed the different sides of buying stocks. Let us now move to real estate. By definition, real estate refers to both the land and any permanent structures, such as a house, or improvements linked to the land. whether natural or man-made. An empty lot titled under you is considered real estate. Most real estate investors generate income by receiving rents, which may be a reliable stream, and via appreciation as the property's value rises. It allows them to generate passive income while working on active income avenues. It's possible to grow your real estate portfolio even if you can afford to put down cash on it upfront. Real estate is attractive since it is a tangible asset that many would-be investors can manage, as well as the diversification benefit. Property owners who acquire real estate own something concrete to which they can be held accountable. Talking about risks, the most common mistake that investors tend to overlook is the time and effort required in real estate. It's not something you can attempt on a whim and expect instantaneous results and profits. Real estate is a complex asset to sell, and owners can't cash it in quickly. As a result, you can't put your real estate up for collateral while you're in a pinch. It is harder to turn this investment back to cash on hand when you need the money as soon as possible. Turning your real estate to a rental property is one of the most efficient ways to generate money. However, there are many risks in this business. One of the stressors to deal with is the renters. There have been many cases of renters running off the grid, not paying the rental fees. Not to mention the stress of repairing the potential damages to your property. In some cases, the amount you spend on the property improvements might be more than the profit you earn. Whether you choose real estate or stocks for your investment plan, knowing the pros and cons should be your priority. Research should always come to play. Having knowledgeable and experienced people around you is also a big help for this journey. Do not be afraid of asking questions and accept that you do not know everything. This way, you have peers to solve your problems more efficiently and effectively. If you want to learn more about finances, consider subscribing by clicking the big red button below and ringing the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Feel free to like and comment your thoughts so we'll know your feedback. Thanks for tuning in and see you again in our next video.